What is up, y'all, and welcome back to The Real Ray. Do you want to learn how to turn boring, straight, day-old hair into this? Alright, y'all, before we get started, go ahead and make sure and get your heat protection spray out, a brush or comb or something to separate your hair out, and then you will need a hair clip or scrunchie or something to get the hair you're not working on out of the way. So I'm probably just gonna work through this one and not stop and talk a bunch in the middle because I'm gonna try to make it a faster video for y'all. So let me know how you like this style. Things to notice: how I'm holding the iron, and also that I'm not taking the same size pieces of hair or like necessarily making sure to curl them all the same exact amount. Let's get started and I will talk to you again in a few minutes. Just a quick reminder before we get started, make sure and stay till the end because you know the finishing touches are what turned a basic curl into like your desired end result. So stay with me. All right, y'all, let's get started. Sorry to interrupt real quick. If you made it this far, hopefully you're enjoying the video. If so, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, why not? Hit that subscribe button. Help a girl grow her YouTube channel. Okay, back to Beach Wave. curling portion, and I have let my curls cool. And as you can see, we left out like some random little pieces through here, and we've got some uneven curls. As always, you know, the finishing touches are everything. So when I think about like surfy, wavy, beachy hair, I think about like a lot of like texture and volume. So we're gonna add some texture and volume. I'm gonna use my Dryspun finish. I'll probably like spray it all over and like mess everything up really well. Alright, so now that I've got all the texture stuff in there, I'm going to add a little bit of my Loma oil because, you know, the more products the better. So just as a reminder, whenever you're using an oil, always make sure you're going to rub it in your hands first. Alright, so there you have it. That is how you get surfy beach babe waves with a wand, or at least how I do it. I think they turned out pretty good. I could probably even mess them up a little bit more, but I like how they look, so I'm gonna just kind of let them hang. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, make sure and hit that like button. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the real Ray. Bye.